Now in today's video, we're actually back here in the Parkside Trails community built by Pulte Homes here in the beautiful Clermont, Florida area. Now, if you missed it, I did do a video not too long ago, which is about 5 minutes long, and explaining to you why a lot of folks are choosing to move to this area based on the growth and development that's occurring here right now. But today we are going to start looking at floor plans, at least one floor plan within this video, which is going to be the Roseland model, right? Now, according to the sales rep, this is easily one of the most popular models that Pulte has to offer within this community, based on all the luxury style finishes that it has within the interior. Now, keep in mind, this one's going to be loaded with a lot of upgrades that you can use for this particular model, but you can get a sense of what this has to offer and what you can do for it to accommodate you for your criteria for you and your family. Now, this one's starting at maybe 4,200 square feet. Up from there, it can have up to 6 bedrooms and to 6 bathrooms. And of course, the price tag comes with what it has to offer, and it's starting in the upper $800,000 range and up from there. But definitely something you guys don't want to miss. This one has a lot of features that you won't normally see in a production home, which is why a lot of people like this model, and a lot of people prefer to purchase this as opposed to other ones that they have to offer. But enough of this talking, guys. Let's go ahead into this model and see what it has to offer. Let's go ahead and get this one started.
Before we even step inside, take a look at this curb appeal. The Roseland combines luxury design with a modern Florida lifestyle, a 3-car garage, multiple elevation options, and a commanding presence that immediately stands out in the community. Parkside Trails has become one of Clermont's most talked about new construction communities thanks to its location, larger home sites, and easy access to everything happening in this rapidly growing area. But here's what makes this community interesting. It's not just about the houses. You'll have a resort-style pool, a fitness center, a soccer field, pickleball courts and a tennis court, walking trails, a dog park, and spaces built for people to actually get outside and enjoy Florida. That's a big reason why so many buyers are paying attention to Parkside Trails right now. Now let's get back to touring this popular floor plan.
Okay, so we're finally inside this beautiful Roseland model, and I must say, the first thing that you want to do when you come in through those double doors is look up. You have these high ceilings here that really open up this foyer space and makes it look very nice and luxurious, which I believe is one of the features that a lot of folks tend to like when they come into this floor plan. Now, immediately here to the left of this doorway, you do have this spacious flex room, and you don't realize how important a flex space is until you have one in your home. Why? Well, because if you work from home, it could be your office. If your kids have homeschool, it could be a classroom. And if you're a content creator, it can be your studio. So it has endless opportunities for these flex spaces, and this one does not disappoint at all. Plenty of space here, and you have a lot of light coming in from those 2 windows facing the front of the home. But let's come down this hallway. I do like these wood beams that they have up top here in the ceiling in this hallway, which I think you guys can agree gives it a nice touch for this property as well. Over here to the left, you have the formal dining room, which is staged nicely, so you can take a look at what you can do with the space. Plenty of space to have nice dinners with your friends and family here. Now, a feature that I think a lot of folks will probably like that's across the ways from that dining space is going to be this little closet area where you can kind of store wine and whatever other beverages that you want to store in this space. You have a lot of cabinets up top for some glasses. You have the space up here for some bottles of wine as well. And then you have all this counter space to prep any drinks and cocktails for your guests and family. And you have a nice little refrigerator down there that you can feature for that space as well. Now, moving on this way, we run into this beautiful staircase that leads up at the end towards that owner suite that we're going to take a look at in a minute, which is going to be a beautiful owner suite, which is more like a retreat. If you ask me, you'll see why in just a few minutes here. But let's take a look at our money shot, which is going to be this open space concept area that's going to feature this family room for your entertainment and your guests, with these tall ceilings here, which look absolutely beautiful, with all those windows up top here that give a lot of natural light coming into the space. We're going to take a look over here at that nice little walkway that we're going to take a look at upstairs as well. It looks very beautiful for this home also. But just imagine entertaining all your friends and guests here within this space. Now, right next to this space, we're going to look at this gourmet style kitchen, which is absolutely beautiful. Tons of space within this kitchen. You can already tell with the size of this kitchen island, it's going to be a place for everyone to congregate, which is usually the heart of the home, right? I always tend to say the kitchen is the heart of the home because everyone likes to be here, especially when we're making great food here. So whether it's you're celebrating holidays or you just have get-togethers with your friends and family, definitely the kitchen that's going to allow for a lot of folks to be in this space without bumping into each other. Now, a feature that I do like, and a lot of folks like, that they actually call me and ask for this feature, is that they do have gas appliances available for the homes here in the Parkside Trails community with Pulte Homes. And they have these beautiful stoves here that a lot of folks tend to like, and a nice little oven down below. But what makes this gourmet style is the oven and the microwave integrated into the cabinet space over here on the left side of this kitchen. Tons of storage space, tall cabinets. You have storage space up above and a lot of storage space down below. And you have this beautiful farm style, tub style sink integrated already into this kitchen island, which looks absolutely beautiful. Now over here behind me, you do have another space here for like a coffee station or maybe a beverage station. Has another little small refrigerator here down below, like we saw in that little space over here across the way from the dining room. And across from this, you have this huge pantry space as well, which you have plenty of space for all your non-perishables here as also. Now, towards the back of this kitchen, you're gonna have like a little nook area where you can have a table to have some meals over here as well if you don't want to use that formal dining space, or if you want to use that dining space as another flex space, it's up to you. But there's plenty of space here, a lot of natural light from these windows that look out towards the back of the home, and that cover lanai also, which will go out there in just a second. But we're gonna make it across the ways here. We're gonna go across this big family room space. We're gonna go into another room at the end of this home on this side, which they have it staged as kind of like a game room here. Now, it could be a game room, whatever you need, pool tables, foosball tables, whatever you need for the space, or you can use this as an in-law suite, which a lot of folks tend to like to have an option for an in-law suite when they come to visit, or if they live under the same roof as you. This room has its own full-size bathroom, which is on this end over here, which is, it's gonna have its single sink vanity, and it's gonna have a walk-in shower that's enclosed with glass doors, which what I tend to like for these in-law suites is that they don't have a tub, so you don't have the in-laws trying to put their feet over a tub there, which makes it a lot safer for them. Now, outside of this bedroom, you do have access to the garage, which is a 3-car garage on that end over here. But then over here you have the bathroom that leads out into the backyard. It's gonna have a single sink, your toilet, and another walk-in shower. But let's go ahead and take a look at the backyard and see what that has to offer. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at what this backyard has to offer. Now, one thing that I do like about Pulte Homes is that they often build at least 1 or 2 models with a pool, which pretty much tells you you have permission to build your own personal pool for your home on top of what you already get with the amenities that you pay for here within the community. But they do have the option to build a pool for you, but that's something you have to decide whether or not you want to go with them or maybe find services outside of the builder. But it looks nice to have a pool, especially here in Florida. But other key features for these backyards, which I definitely like, is that they often come with kind of like a cooking station towards the back, which usually includes a hood and also kind of like a barbecue station and a sink, and oftentimes a refrigerator, so you can kind of keep some cold beverages there while you're enjoying the hot sunny days like we have today out here in the pool. But definitely a large covered lanai, plenty of space for a lot of furnishings here, a nice space for barbecues, and a nice space to entertain family and friends and all your guests, right? But that's it with the backyard. Let's go ahead and go upstairs and take a look at what that has to offer. Remember, I did say there are some features that you don't normally see in production homes like these, right? But let's go ahead and take a look at what that has to offer. All right, so coming to the second floor of this beautiful Roseland model, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the owner's suite, which once you take a look at it, it's more of an owner's retreat as opposed to an owner's suite, right? Because it's kind of like it has its own private wing of the home. Now, coming in through these double doors, you are met with this divider in the middle of the room where they have a nice little couch here with a nice window that's facing the side of the home, letting a lot of natural light here into this bedroom. Now, to the right of this, you go right into the primary bathroom. So let's go ahead and take a look at that and see what that has to offer. Coming in here, very spacious primary bathroom. You have a nice kind of like spa-like soaking tub here. You have a double sink vanity here with under-mounted sinks like you see throughout the entire home. And you have this beautiful glass enclosed shower that you can just walk into. They do have a small little bench there you can sit down to while you're showering, but very spacious at that. And then you have not one, but two closets for this primary bathroom, which gives a lot of space for either spouse to hang all their clothes in for these two closets, right? But moving across the ways from this nice little entryway or that you're met with when you come in through these double doors, then you have the space for your king size bed and a lot of space for a lot of furnishings. But take a look at these three windows facing the back of the home, allowing for tons of natural light to come into this bedroom. You can see behind me, you see a lot of natural light within this entire room. It's something that I'm a big fan of, right? But I do like the features that they have up in the ceiling. They have those wood beams that we saw in the first floor around the entryway. Then you have this nice little seating area over here for you to relax here as well. So this is exactly why I say this seems more of an owner's retreat as opposed to a primary bedroom. It's definitely a place that you don't want to come out of throughout the day unless you have to, right? But definitely a beautiful bedroom. I think you guys can agree. Let me know down below within that comment section. But another key feature for this beautiful home is this nice walkway that you have just outside of these beautiful doors for that owner's retreat, right? You have this long hallway walkway that goes across the second floor here, where you have a view of the downstairs and all the space that it has to offer with these high ceilings, which I think is a feature that a lot of folks gravitate to when they see a model like this, because you don't see something like this in a lot of these production homes. And this is definitely one of those features that I mentioned before. And I thought this was definitely a beautiful feature for the second floor. Now we do have other bedrooms here moving towards the back of the home here. You do have another secondary room that you can use for another family member. Plenty of space here as well. A lot of natural light coming in from those two windows facing the back of the home. Now, a nice feature for this one is that this bedroom has its own sink. It has a Jack and Jill type of bathroom situation for these bedrooms. It does connect to the second bedroom next to it. But let's take a look at this. You do have a shower here in between these two bedrooms. It has a tub and shower combination. Moving across here, you do have the other sink for the next bedroom here as well, which is going to be a mirrored image of the bedroom that we saw just a second ago across the hallway here, right? But moving forward here, you do have the other space here that's decorated differently, but it's the same amount of space that you get with that other bedroom across the way, which I think is a great feature for this home and something you don't see too often, right? But let's go back out this way to this hallway. We do have two other areas that we want to take a look at, which down this hallway, you do have the laundry room, which plenty of space here as well for your appliances. And you do have a utility sink here and plenty of counter space as well. So when you're doing laundry here, you have a lot of storage space up above also within this laundry space. But coming back out towards this hallway, you have another bedroom over here, which is very spacious compared to the other two bedrooms that we have here in the second floor, at least for the secondary bedrooms on this side of the home. And the unique feature for this is that it does have a nice big walk-in closet, and you have its own bathroom here, a full-size bathroom with the combination tub and shower head, and you do have that single sink unit here as well. But I think that's going to do it for the tour of this Roseland model. Let's go ahead and get out of here, and we'll go ahead and end this video. All right, so we're finally done touring this beautiful Roseland model. What did you guys think about this floor plan? Can you see yourself and your family living within the Roseland? Let me know down below within that comment section. But we definitely saw a lot of great features that this model has to offer, and I can see why it's considered one of the most popular floor plans that this Parkside Trails community has to offer, and why a lot of folks tend to choose this over the other two-story homes that they have to offer by Pulte here within this community. Do you think it lived up to its hype? Let me know down below within that comment section. But it's definitely the perfect floor plan for families who are looking for that luxury style finish, some flexibility and functionality within a home. This has it all. It's definitely a home that you and your family can grow into for the next coming years. But that's going to do it for this video, guys. For the HOA and CDD fees, I'm going to leave all that information down below within that description area, along with more information about this community. But we're not completely done with this community. We are going to tour other models, so you guys can see that within the next series of videos. So you're going to want to make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss those upcoming videos, right? I'm also going to be touring a lot of master plan communities within the Central Florida area. So you definitely want to keep those in mind and subscribe as well because of that, because you don't want to miss out on great opportunities within the Central Florida area. That being said, if you are considered moving to Florida within the Central Florida area, whether it's Orlando, whether it's Winter Garden, whether it's Winter Park, Clermont, you name it, you can give me a call. The number you're going to see at the bottom of the screen. I'd be happy to talk to you and your family about your upcoming moves, right? Other than that, guys, thank you once again for joining me on another tour, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Take care.